Service Creatio. Online Training. Introduction to Service Creatio, a comprehensive overview. Service Creatio is a powerful low-code platform designed to streamline service management processes across various industries. It offers organizations a unified interface to manage customer service operations, automate workflows, and enhance customer experiences. With its rich set of tools and customizable features, Service Creatio helps businesses deliver efficient, personalized service while maintaining high levels of customer satisfaction. Key features of Service Creatio. Omnichannel Service Management. Service Creatio enables seamless customer interactions across multiple channels, including email, chat, phone, and social media. By integrating these channels into a single interface, agents can view all customer interactions, ensuring consistent and effective communication. Case Management. The platform provides comprehensive case management features, allowing service agents to track, prioritize, and resolve customer issues efficiently. Cases can be automatically routed to the appropriate teams based on predefined business rules, ensuring swift issue resolution. Knowledge Management. Service Creatio includes an integrated knowledge base where service agents can access information and solutions quickly. This feature enhances problem resolution efficiency, reduces handling time, and improves customer satisfaction by providing relevant and timely information. Workflow Automation. Leveraging its low-code capabilities, Service Creatio allows businesses to automate complex workflows and repetitive tasks. This reduces manual intervention, improves efficiency, and ensures consistency in service delivery. Service Level Agreement (SLA) Management. With built-in SLA management features, businesses can define, monitor, and ensure compliance with service level agreements. Service Creatio allows teams to track performance against SLAs, helping ensure timely and effective issue resolution. Customer Self-Service Portal. The self-service portal empowers customers to find solutions to their problems, submit cases, and track their status without needing to contact a service agent directly. This enhances customer autonomy and reduces the overall workload on support teams. AI-driven analytics and reporting. Service Creatio uses AI-driven analytics to offer insights into customer behavior, service trends, and performance metrics. Customizable dashboards and reports allow managers to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and make data-driven decisions. Low-code customization. One of the standout features of Service Creatio is its low-code development environment. This allows both technical and non-technical users to customize workflows, create new business processes, and configure the system according to their unique business needs without extensive coding knowledge. Field Service Management. Service Creatio supports field service operations by enabling real-time tracking of field agents, optimizing task assignment, and managing mobile workforces. Field technicians can access customer data, manage appointments, and provide timely service using mobile devices. Key benefits of Service Creatio. Enhanced customer experience. By unifying service channels and automating key processes, Service Creatio helps organizations deliver personalized and responsive service to their customers. Increased efficiency and productivity. Automation of routine tasks and workflows enables service agents to focus on complex cases, improving the overall productivity of the team. Key features and capabilities of Service Creatio. Service Creatio is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline and automate customer service and help desk operations. It combines robust CRM, customer relationship management, functionalities with BPM, business process management, to deliver efficient service management solutions. Below are the key features and capabilities of Service Creatio. 1. Unified Service Management. Omnichannel support provides a unified platform for managing customer communications across channels, email, phone, social media, live chat, etc., enabling agents to engage customers from a single interface. Case management automates the process of case logging, tracking, and resolution, offering a 360-degree view of customer interactions. Service Level Agreement (SLA) management tracks and manages SLAs to ensure timely case resolution, alerting teams if any SLA violations occur. 2. Intelligent Process Automation. Business Process Management (BPM) offers a powerful BPM engine to automate workflows, streamline service processes, and eliminate manual tasks. Users can design and automate customer service processes with a visual process designer. AI and machine learning capabilities uses AI to predict customer behavior, recommend next best actions, and prioritize tasks automatically. 3. Knowledge Management. Knowledge base stores all critical information, documentation, and FAQs, allowing agents and customers to find quick solutions to common problems. Self-service portal provides customers with access to the knowledge base and support materials, helping reduce incoming support tickets and empower users with self-help tools. 4. Collaboration and case escalation. Collaborative tools supports team collaboration through internal communication tools, enabling teams to work together on complex cases. Escalation management automatically escalates cases based on defined rules and criteria, example priority, time elapsed, or SLA breaches. 5. Customer self-service tools. Customer portal enables customers to track the status of their requests, submit support tickets, and access the knowledge base via a self-service portal. Chatbots integrates with AI-powered chatbots that can handle basic queries, freeing up agents for more complex tasks. 6. Analytics and reporting. Dashboards and reporting offers a set of customizable dashboards and reports to track KPIs such as case resolution times, agent performance, customer satisfaction, and SLA compliance. Real-time monitoring monitors service operations in real time, offering insights into current workloads, case backlog, and bottlenecks. 7. Mobile-friendly access. Mobile app. Agents can access Service Creatio on the go through its mobile app, ensuring service continuity and case management from anywhere. 8. Integration capabilities. Integration with third-party systems integrates with a wide variety of third-party applications, including ERP, CRM, communication tools, and social media platforms. API Access offers a robust API framework to support custom integrations and extend platform functionality. 9. Customer Feedback Management. Customer Satisfaction Surveys supports post-case surveys and feedback mechanisms to gauge customer satisfaction and identify areas for service improvement. Net Promoter Score (NPS) tracks NPS to measure customer loyalty and overall satisfaction with service interactions. 10. IT Service Management (ITSM) features. Incident and Problem Management supports the resolution of IT-related issues by logging incidents, managing problems, and tracking changes. Change Management helps manage and control IT changes with built-in approval workflows and impact analysis. Workflow Automation with Service Creatio, streamlining business processes. Workflow Automation with Service Creatio, streamlining business processes. Service Creatio is a low-code platform designed to automate workflows, allowing businesses to streamline processes efficiently. By enabling organizations to create and manage workflows with minimal coding effort, Service Creatio enhances productivity and operational efficiency across departments. Here's how Service Creatio helps streamline business processes. 1. Low-code platform for workflow customization. Service Creatio offers a low-code environment where users can design and modify workflows using drag-and-drop tools. Business users with little technical expertise can automate complex processes without needing in-depth coding knowledge. This flexibility allows organizations to tailor workflows to their specific needs. 2. Business Process Modeling. Service Creatio provides powerful tools for business process modeling, enabling users to visually map out workflows and optimize them. These models can include stages, tasks, triggers, and conditions, ensuring that the entire business process is clearly defined and can be followed step by step by automated workflows. 3. Automated Task Management. Tasks that are part of larger workflows, such as approvals, notifications, or handoffs between teams, can be automated in Service Creatio. This reduces manual intervention, speeds up processes, and minimizes human errors. Automatic assignment of tasks to appropriate employees or departments ensures that workflows continue without delays. 4. Integration with other systems. Service Creatio integrates with various other enterprise systems, including CRM, ERP, and external applications. This enables seamless data flow between systems, eliminating the need for manual data entry and allowing workflows to trigger actions across platforms. For example, a sale in a CRM system could automatically trigger an order fulfillment process in an ERP system. 5. Workflow Monitoring and Reporting. Service Creatio provides real-time monitoring and reporting features that allow managers to track the performance of automated workflows. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as task completion time, bottlenecks, and resource allocation are available for review. This insight helps organizations continuously improve and optimize their workflows. 6. AI-powered automation. The platform integrates AI-driven features that help predict outcomes, recommend next steps, and even trigger specific actions within workflows based on historical data and trends. This can include prioritizing customer inquiries, routing cases to the right departments, or automating escalation processes. 7. Approval automation. Workflows that require approvals, such as contract sign-offs, budget allocations, or procurement orders, can be fully automated in Service Creatio. Automated notifications and reminders can prompt decision-makers to act, and pre-configured rules ensure that approvals follow the proper hierarchy. 8. Document management and automation. Document-centric workflows, such as contract management, invoicing, or HR processes, can be automated within Service Creatio. The platform supports document generation, versioning, and storage, helping streamline processes that involve multiple departments or external partners. 9. Compliance and audit trails. For industries that require strict adherence to regulations, example finance, healthcare, Service Creatio ensures workflows comply with policies and regulatory standards. Automated workflows provide an audit trail that records every step taken, ensuring transparency and accountability. Enhancing customer support with Service Creatio. Enhancing customer support with Service Creatio. Service Creatio is a comprehensive, low-code CRM platform designed to optimize and automate customer service processes. It offers a wide range of features that can significantly enhance customer support capabilities, ensuring faster response times, higher customer satisfaction, and improved agent efficiency. Below are key areas where Service Creatio can enhance customer support. 1. Omnichannel communication. Centralized communication hub, Service Creatio enables seamless communication across various channels, including email, phone, live chat, social media, and self-service portals. This helps agents manage customer interactions from a single interface, improving response times and ensuring no query goes unanswered. Chatbots and AI-powered assistants. The platform integrates AI-driven chatbots that can handle common queries, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. This ensures 24/7 support availability. Tool Intelligent Case Management. Automated case routing. Service Creatio can automatically assign cases based on predefined rules such as issue type, agent availability, or priority. This helps streamline the resolution process and ensures that the right agent handles each case. Case Life Cycle Tracking. The platform allows for comprehensive tracking of case status, from creation to resolution. Agents and managers can monitor progress, escalate issues, and meet service-level agreements, SLAs. 3. Knowledge management. Unified knowledge base. Service Creatio provides a centralized repository for agents to access knowledge articles, troubleshooting guides, FAQs, and best practices. This reduces resolution times and empowers agents with the necessary tools to handle customer inquiries efficiently. Self-service portals. Customers can access the knowledge base through self-service portals, helping them resolve issues independently without contacting support, thus reducing ticket volume. 4. Automation and workflow optimization. Automated workflows. Service Creatio allows for the automation of routine tasks such as case creation, follow-ups, and notifications. This minimizes manual intervention and accelerates case resolution. Escalation rules. The platform can automatically escalate unresolved or high-priority cases to senior agents or managers based on predefined conditions, ensuring that critical issues are handled promptly. 5. Customer 360-degree view. Comprehensive customer profiles. Service Creatio consolidates customer data into a 360-degree view, including interaction history, previous cases, preferences, and feedback. This helps agents provide personalized support and make informed decisions during interactions. Customer journey mapping. The platform allows support teams to track the entire customer journey, identifying potential pain points and areas for improvement in customer service processes. 6. Performance analytics and reporting. Real-time dashboards. Service Creatio offers customizable dashboards that provide real-time visibility into key performance metrics, such as response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction scores, CSAT. This helps teams monitor performance and make data-driven decisions to improve service quality. Service Level Agreement, SLA, monitoring. The platform ensures that SLAs are consistently met by tracking agent performance and sending automated reminders or alerts for approaching deadlines. 7. Integration with other tools. Seamless integrations. Service Creatio integrates with third-party CRM, ERP, and collaboration tools like Salesforce, Zendesk, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. This enables support teams to collaborate more effectively and access all relevant information without switching between systems. Best practices for implementing Service Creatio in organizations. Implementing Service Creatio, formerly BPM Online, in organizations involves thoughtful planning, best practices, and a structured approach to ensure successful adoption and alignment with business goals. Here's an expanded guide on best practices for implementing Service Creatio. 1. Understand business requirements and align with goals. Assess business needs. Clearly define your business processes and objectives. Engage key stakeholders to understand their pain points and expectations. Align with strategy. Ensure that the implementation of Service Creatio aligns with your organization's long-term goals, focusing on areas like sales, marketing, and customer service. Prioritize use cases. Identify and prioritize specific use cases for Service Creatio. This helps streamline efforts and demonstrate early success. 2. Involve key stakeholders and form a dedicated team. Cross-functional teams. Form a cross-functional implementation team that includes IT, operations, marketing, sales, and customer support departments. Executive sponsorship. Obtain buy-in from senior leadership to drive organizational change and allocate necessary resources. User involvement. Engage end users early to gather feedback on how Service Creatio can best support their daily tasks. 3. Customization and configuration. Avoid over-customization. Leverage Service Creatio's out-of-the-box features and adapt them to your business processes instead of building heavy customizations that could complicate future upgrades. Use low-code tools. Leverage the low-code, no-code platform capabilities for configuration. Use these to modify workflows, forms, and dashboards to fit your processes without requiring extensive development. Future-proof with scalability. Configure the system to allow flexibility and scalability to support future business growth and changes. 4. Data management and integration. Data cleaning. Before migrating data to Service Creatio, ensure your data is clean, consistent, and complete. This avoids importing legacy data errors into the new system. Data mapping. Map data from existing systems to Service Creatio's structures to ensure a smooth transition. System integrations. Identify critical integrations, ERP, CRM, marketing tools, etc., and use Service Creatio's robust integration capabilities, APIs, connectors, to create seamless data flow between systems. 5. Change management and user training. Communication plan. Develop a clear communication plan to keep the organization informed about the implementation progress and expected outcomes. User training. Provide comprehensive training for users at different levels. Service Creatio offers role-based learning paths, so ensure all users have tailored training to meet their specific needs. Ongoing support. Establish a support system or help desk to address user concerns and help resolve issues post-launch. 6. Phased deployment. Pilot first. Start with a pilot program in a department or with a small group of users. This allows for real-world feedback and can reduce risks associated with the implementation. Incremental rollout. Gradually expand the deployment across departments or teams. A phased approach ensures that any issues are manageable and gives teams time to adapt. 7. Automation and workflow optimization. Business process automation. Use Service Creatio's Business Process Management (BPM) tools to automate workflows, tasks, and approvals. Automating repetitive tasks can improve efficiency and reduce errors. Review existing processes, re-evaluate and optimize current business processes before automation to avoid inefficiencies being replicated in the new system. Advanced analytics and reporting in Service Creatio. Advanced analytics and reporting in Service Creatio enable organizations to gain deep insights into their customer service processes, operations, and overall performance. Creatio offers a robust set of features for real-time data analysis, custom reporting, and data visualization, empowering users to make data-driven decisions. Here's an overview of its key components. 1. Customizable dashboards. Real-time monitoring. Service Creatio allows users to create and customize dashboards that present real-time data on service metrics such as case resolutions, response times, and customer satisfaction. Drag-and-drop interface. Dashboards can be easily designed through a drag-and-drop interface, allowing non-technical users to arrange charts, graphs, and tables without coding. Multi-source data. Data from various sources can be consolidated in one view, enabling holistic monitoring of performance across different service channels. 2. Report building. Pre-built templates. Service Creatio includes pre-built templates for generating standard reports such as incident management, service level agreements, SLAs, compliance, and customer feedback. Custom reports. Users can build custom reports using intuitive filtering, sorting, and grouping functionalities, allowing for granular data insights. These reports can include complex KPIs specific to an organization's goals. Scheduling and automation. Reports can be scheduled for automatic generation and distribution to team members or managers on a regular basis, example, daily, weekly, monthly. 3. Advanced analytics with AI and machine learning. Predictive analytics. Service Creatio integrates AI-powered predictive analytics tools that allow organizations to forecast service demands, potential escalations, or case resolution times. This helps in resource optimization and proactive customer service. Sentiment analysis. By using machine learning algorithms, Creatio can analyze customer communications for sentiment, providing a deeper understanding of customer satisfaction and potential areas for improvement. Anomaly detection. AI models can identify unusual patterns in service metrics, alerting teams to issues that may require immediate intervention. 4. Integration with BI tools. Export to external tools. Data from Service Creatio can be exported and further analyzed in external business intelligence by tools like Microsoft Power BI or Tableau for more advanced reporting and visualization. Data warehousing. Service Creatio can be connected to external data warehouse, ensuring that historical and real-time data can be merged for comprehensive trend analysis and reporting. 5. Role-based reporting. Permission-based access. Reports and analytics can be tailored to specific roles within the organization. Managers can view overall performance metrics, while agents can access reports relevant to their daily activities. Drill-down capabilities. Users can drill down into specific data points to analyze performance at a more detailed level, such as breaking down customer satisfaction by individual agents or regions. 6. Service performance metrics. KPIs and SLA tracking. Service Creatio offers extensive KPI tracking, including first response time, resolution time, and SLA compliance. These metrics can be automatically tracked and visualized in real time. Trend analysis. Historical data can be leveraged for trend analysis, helping organizations identify performance improvements or declines over time, which is essential for long-term strategic planning. Customizing dashboards in Service Creatio for improved productivity. Customizing dashboards in Service Creatio to improve productivity can involve several steps and techniques to ensure the data is tailored to specific needs, giving users access to key performance indicators, KPIs, and actionable insights in a streamlined manner. Below are the key aspects and steps for customizing dashboards effectively. 1. Define user needs and goals. Understand business objectives. Identify what metrics and data points will drive productivity. For example, if the focus is on customer service, the dashboard may need to display ticket resolution times, open tickets, and SLA compliance. Determine the audience. Different users, example managers, customer service reps, or sales teams, have different needs. Customizing dashboards based on roles ensures each user sees relevant information. 2. Leverage built-in widgets. Data visualization widgets. Service Creatio offers various widgets such as charts, bar, line, pie, tables, and counters. Choose the right visualization to present data meaningfully. For instance, use counters for tracking daily ticket closures, line charts for monitoring trends over time, tables for detailed data. such as a list of unresolved tickets. KPI widgets. These can display key metrics like average response time or customer satisfaction scores. Customizing KPIs to reflect team performance can highlight areas of improvement. 3. Integrate real-time data sources. Dynamic data updates. Ensure that the dashboard pulls real-time data. This helps teams make timely decisions and keep track of ongoing activities. Integrate various data sources, internal CRM, external systems, etc., to provide a comprehensive view. Custom data filters. Add filtering options to allow users to drill down into specific periods, teams, or ticket types. This level of granularity helps in fine-tuning performance. 4. Tailor layout and design. Organize information logically. Arrange the widgets to create a logical flow of information. Place the most critical data at the top or in the center, making it instantly visible. Use color coding. Apply color schemes to highlight different status levels. Example, green for tickets resolved, red for escalated issues. This makes it easier to visually process data at a glance. Custom themes. Service Creatio allows visual customization of dashboards. Adjust fonts, backgrounds, and widget styles to align with corporate branding or personal preferences. 5. Add custom dashboards per role. Role-based dashboards. Create multiple dashboards to cater to different departments or job roles. For instance, a sales dashboard may focus on pipeline health and forecast, while a support dashboard tracks ticket volume and SLA adherence. Personalized views give users the ability to modify dashboard elements based on their preferences, such as adjusting widgets or filtering data. 6. Monitor performance and usability. Track dashboard usage. Regularly monitor how dashboards are being used and collect feedback to ensure they are serving their purpose. Adjust or add new widgets based on emerging needs or feedback. Productivity metrics. Analyze whether the customized dashboards are actually improving productivity by comparing KPIs pre- and post-customization. Why choose ProExcellency for Service Creatio online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Service Creatio online training offers several advantages, including expert trainers. ProExcellency provides access to experienced trainers with in-depth knowledge of Service Creatio. They offer real-world insights and hands-on learning. Customized learning modules. The courses are tailored to meet individual or organizational needs, ensuring learners acquire the necessary skills at their own pace. Flexible schedule. ProExcellency offers flexible timing, making it easier for professionals to manage training alongside their work commitments. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training covers everything from basic to advanced concepts, including CRM functionalities, process automation, and integration with other systems. Certification and career support. ProExcellency often provides certification guidance, ensuring participants are well prepared for Service Creatio certification exams and career advancement. Interactive learning environment. With live sessions and access to a community of learners, you get real-time support, queries resolved quickly, and collaborative learning opportunities. Affordable pricing. The courses are competitively priced, providing excellent value for the level of expertise and resources offered. Thank you.